Welcome to Independence, Oregon. We are here at the Humbug Blueberry Farm, and what's behind me is this remarkable hedgerow. This hedgerow is really the only one of its kind in the Pacific Northwest, and it runs for miles through the blueberry field. One thing about this hedgerow is it was put in at the time when the crop was established. So it was put in with the same kind of equipment as the rest of the field. So if you look underneath here, there's the same weed fabric, the same irrigation lines, the same pile of sawdust. It really didn't require the blueberry growers to kind of adopt some kind of strange management practice. It was really integrated in. I think that's what makes this really successful. It's really great because it's stocked with plants that attract a multiple range of both managed and wild bees. And that was important for this grower because they wanted to have the free pollination services to pollinate their blueberries. If you know anything about blueberries, it blooms at a time of year when it's cold outside, and sometimes honeybees have a hard time getting the temperature and flying in the rain. This helps build the population of wild bees that are a little bit more durable to our Pacific Northwest conditions, and will actually soldier out when there's a little bit of a light drizzle and pollinate these blueberry plants. We highlighted this as part of as a case study with the Western IPM Center because we really thought this exemplifies what we think growers should be doing. It's a great way of both building in conservation efforts for pollinators at the same time as managing a very large commercial crop. And I think one thing that makes this successful is that the plant selection not only excluded plants that would be hosts for pests, but it has plants here that are both building up that bee population, but also beneficial insects that are providing natural pest control back into this orchard. And that kind of win-win was really at the heart of the series that we recorded for Western IPM Center, trying to show examples to growers around the region how you can get great pollination, you can preserve pollinators, and not at the expense of having pest problems. This is really at the heart of integrated pest management.